Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping right into this thing called the Golden Duck Typing Work Job app. It's got this really appealing claim, right? You basically just do some simple typing, collect these virtual coins, and then supposedly you can turn those coins into actual cash. Easy money, sounds like.
Exactly, and that's what we need to unpack. Our mission here, looking at the source material, is to figure out if this is, legit, or is something else going on.
Okay, so let's start with what does work. The app itself, well, it functions. You can download it, you can type. And yeah, you see those coins adding up on your screen. It feels like you're making progress right away.
Right, it gives you that initial feedback loop, but the problem starts when you try to actually get paid. That's where it gets, well, sketchy. The analysis points to a huge red flag withdrawals. It seems the app really pushes users, hard towards premium activation or some kind of paid plan.
Right. Pushes them before they can cash out.
Yeah, before unlocking any real earnings, you hit this wall where they want you to pay them first.
So hold on. You do the typing, you earn the coins based on their system, and then to get your money, you have to buy a plan. That sounds off.
It absolutely does. It really feels like a classic bait and switch. You put in the time, the effort, you see the balance grow, and then they hit you with a fee to access what you supposedly earned.
And what about proof? Did anyone actually, get paid?
Well, that's another major issue. The source material is pretty clear. There's just no real proof of anyone successfully cashing out.
No proof at all. Like no confirmed user reviews saying, I got my money.
Yeah.
No payment receipts.
Exactly. A complete lack of verified evidence. It's not just a few missing bits. It's a total absence of validation that people actually receive funds from this app.
Yeah.
That silence is, well, it's telling.
Okay, so no external proof. What about the app's own rules? The fine print.
Ah, yes, that makes it even worse, actually. Even if you did pay or somehow got past that, the balance itself isn't stable. Deep in their terms, it apparently says that coin values can change anytime.
Change any time. What does that even mean in practice?
It means the goalpost can move constantly. Imagine you type your way up to, say, the $100 minimum withdrawal they might set. But then, poof, they can just decide overnight that your coins are now worth, I don't know, a tenth of what they were. So your $100 just evaporated into $10.
So you might never actually reach a meaningful payout threshold no matter how much you type.
Precisely. It basically gives them total control to ensure they likely never have to pay out significant amounts. It undermines the entire earning premise.
Okay, so putting it all together, the research essentially concludes.
The conclusion is pretty blunt. Golden Duck is not a genuine income source. It looks and acts much more like an ad-driven typing simulator.
A simulator, not a job. Got it.
Right. It simulates the work, simulates the earning, but doesn't deliver the actual payment.
So for you listening, the key takeaway here seems pretty stark. Based on this review, the risks, the time investment, it just heavily outweighs any potential reward, which isn't even proven to exist. The advice was basically, don't waste your time.
Yeah. And that simulator idea raises a bigger point, doesn't it? If an app like this works perfectly as a game, it keeps you clicking, keeps you watching ads, makes money for the creators, but completely fails on its main promise, the payment part. What does that teach us? How do you spot the real opportunities online when faced with things that look functional but are fundamentally broken in their core promise? Something to think about.